better, much better.
The surprise toy.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Merry Kinder. आज की वीडियो उन सब मदर्स के लिए है जिनका प्रोफेशनल बैकग्राउंड टीचिंग से बिल्कुल नहीं है, जिनका किंडरगार्टन का कोई एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, who are still struggling in finding ways, to make their homeschool day even better and successful. So this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and make sure to subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. In this video, I'm gonna, give you a quick rundown, a glimpse of a homeschool day, how it actually looks like. So it's a homeschool vlog today. आज मैं एक अपनी रूटीन आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी कि हम होमस्कूल डे किस तरह स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैं अपने बेटे को किस तरह पढ़ाती हूँ, वो किस तरह मेरे साथ एंगेज होता है.
Good morning to earth.
Good morning, dear
flowers
and all things that run. Good trees.
and say good morning.
Good morning to you.
They do.
Car, truck, jeep. Have you any fuel? Yes, sir. 3 tanks full. Can you count the tanks? 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, now 1 for the red bus, 1 for the train. Choo-choo. 1 for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Yay. Honk honk. To all the parents out there, don't jump directly into the worksheets or textbooks. Always start your day with morning rhymes and circle time. So before we start our day, I make sure to prepare a board with seasons flashcard, weather flashcard, as well as the fairy tales, the nursery rhymes we are reading. I mention all the read alouds and lesson of the day on the board. One of the greatest perks of homeschooling is the time flexibility it offers and the variation. A child explores a lot while he's homeschooled. So it's up to you whether you want to send him school or whether you want to homeschool him. So now how many lines you will draw here to make it 1?
Okay.
How many lines? Yes.
Okay. This is 5.
This digraph. Yeah, do you remember this digraph?
Yeah.
3. Yeah, it's a digraph. It's a part of a digraph. Yeah? Yes. Okay, now make it 3. Make it 3. No, Heather, we are not on number 4 right now. You have to make it 3 first, okay? No, where is number 5? Help me finding. Oh, yeah, you did it. Oh, the tummy is so fat. Can we just make it small? Yeah. Maybe rubber. Just take it. Come on, rub it and make it small. Such a big tummy you have made it. Hey, number 5 is saying, hey Heather, what are you doing with me? I am not that big. Look at my tummy. Oh, better. Much better. Thank you so much.
Almost small, you baby.
Hey, you forgot me. I'm number 6. How could you do this to me? Write me. There, it's a wrong 6. Heather, it's a wrong 6. What? Do I look like this? What? Do I look like this?
1, 2, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20.
Look, under 22, there was 29.
This is.
Yeah, 29. One thing I have learned while homeschooling my child is when you start your day with dedication and excitement, your child will show a lot of interest in that. He'll be more excited, he'll be, more eager to participate in different activities you do.
Yeah.
Heather, what are you reading?
I'm reading the Toys Party.
Okay. On page number 1.
Number 1.
Help me finding Kipper.
That's Mom and Sugar.
Have you seen the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is really sad. He's really upset. What this picture is all about, okay? We'll read it over here. Kipper, just look here. Right. Now, see the first letter of the word, okay? It's Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Kipper. Wanted.
Wanted.
Yeah. Wanted.
Wanted.
A.
A.
Party.
Party.
Kipper.
Kipper.
Wanted.
Wanted.
A party. But why Kipper be so sad? What does he want?
This is the whole story. I'll be like this. And for you. So how are you? Or for you? What you doing? I had to with the homework. Okay, that's fine. It's great. I watch TV. You're doing.
What you're up to, Dadu? What you're thinking of?
Mama's half a coffee. You do your homework, okay? No, back to you. I give you a toffee, the surprise toy. Mamiya. Kipper wanted the party. Turn the page.
Yeah.
We know the mom and dad is cleaning the car.
Yeah, no, and he's so sad. He's sitting all alone, and nobody's coming to play with him. What we're gonna do now? And Floppy is sleeping. Hey, Floppy, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Heather, where is our Floppy puppet?
Thank you very soccer.
Hey, Kipper, why are you all so sad? I am sad because nobody wanted to play with me.
Right her finger.
Nobody wanted. Heather, put your finger under the word. Wanted to come. You like it? Okay. Sure. Can you trace it? No. Heather, can you trace it like this? E. P. Ship. O. P. Shop. Shoes. Shed. What's the sound of this digraph? Alright, and what about this? This one?
Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Alright.